I'll guide you through how to get Netflix for free, the easy way without falling for scams. If you're looking to save money on your streaming subscriptions or want to access your favorite Netflix shows and movies for free, you need a free Netflix account. This tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. There are different methods you can use to snag a free Netflix account. Let's dissect each of them. 1. The carrier bundle method. This is the most direct and legitimate way to get a Netflix subscription at no extra cost. Many phone and internet providers like T-Mobile, Verizon, and Comcast offer free Netflix as a perk with certain plans. T-Mobile's Netflix on Us is a popular example. If you have an eligible plan such as Go 5G Plus or Magenta Max, you can log into your account, navigate to the add-on section, and activate your free Netflix subscription. This either provides you with a free ad-supported plan or a discount toward a standard plan. Number 2. Earn gift cards with apps. This method requires a bit of effort but is an effective way to pay for a subscription without using your own cash. You can use reward apps like Eureka or Fetch that pay you for completing small tasks. These apps reward you for things like taking quick surveys, scanning receipts, or playing mobile games. Once you earn enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards, including Visa gift cards, which can be used to purchase a Netflix subscription. If the first two options don't work for you, the next two methods can drastically reduce your monthly cost. 3. Strategic cost saving using a VPN. Netflix prices vary by country. Using a reputable VPN to change your virtual location to a country with a lower subscription cost, like Turkey or Argentina, can significantly lower your monthly fee. And number 4, another cost saving by sharing an account. Netflix now has a feature that allows you to add an extra member to your account for a lower cost than a full subscription. This is a legitimate way to share the cost with a friend or family member outside your household. It's important to be extremely careful of websites or videos promising free trials or gift codes in exchange for personal information or for downloading suspicious apps. These are often scams designed to steal your data or install malware. The legitimate methods mentioned in this video are the only safe way to get a free or discounted subscription. If these options are not available in your country, then click to watch this video here to learn how to subscribe to Netflix without a credit card. Now that you've learned how to get a free Netflix account, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Netflix video tutorials. Thanks for watching.